Now we just had a good size trout come out from under that tree there. He took a look at the dead grasshopper and reckoned it was a bit sus. So I'm going to give him a live grasshopper. It was a good fish, about 40 centimetres. And I'm going to hook this grasshopper through the leg, which is not recommended if you want to catch the fish, but it is recommended if you want to keep the grasshopper alive. So he's going to look a little bit different, this fella. I'm waiting for the fish to eat the whole hopper. Right, now we're on. Okay, I think I might even get my grasshopper back out of this. He's a nice fish. And you'll notice when you're fishing with hoppers, when it goes down, when the trout takes the hopper, sometimes you'll see the hopper still outside the trout's mouth. Wait till the hopper disappears, and that's when the trout's actually inhaled it. Now I've just got this fella. I'll be amazed if I keep him on. I've just got him hooked in the lip. He wants to go back over there. And you'll see how I just hooked this fella. Yeah, and the hook's out of him. Now, we'll have a look at him. Okay, hook's out of the net. Now he's a good looking male, and he's 33. So I'm going to let him go. I think he'd be better off proliferating in this stream. Okay. Okay. Good idea.